Turpala, second class.
Pen.
P and pen.
Big.
B-I-G, big.
Small.
T.
Small.
S. M-A. L-L, small.
Table.
T-A-B-L-E.
Shoes.
S-H-O-E-S, swoosh.
Door.
D-O-O-R, door.
Face.
F-A-C-E, face,
Head.
pahano.
Head.
H-A-D, head, tala.
Pencil.
P and pencil, pencil.
Wall.
W-L-L, wall.
Again.
W-A-L-L, wall.
Very good. Roof.